In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the trade panel in MetaTrader 5 for faster order entry. If you want to speed up your order execution and cut out extra clicks, the built-in trade panel with one-click trading is exactly what you need. We'll turn it on, show it on your chart, and then place a trade instantly, all while keeping things clear and safe. First, let's enable one-click trading. In MetaTrader 5, go to the top menu and open Tools, then Options, or simply press Ctrl+O on your keyboard. In the Options window, switch to the Trade tab. Here, check the box labeled One-Click Trading. A disclaimer will pop up explaining that orders will be sent immediately without an extra confirmation step. Read it carefully and accept it to proceed. From this point forward, clicking Buy or Sell on the trade panel will send orders straight to the market, so make sure you're comfortable with that level of speed and responsibility. Next, let's display the trade panel on your chart. Open any chart for the symbol you want to trade. If you don't see the panel right away, press Alt+T to toggle it on. Alternatively, right-click anywhere on the chart and choose One-Click Trading from the menu. The panel will appear in the top left corner of your chart, so it's always within reach while you're analyzing price action. Now here's how to use it. Start by setting your lot size. In the volume box on the panel, type the exact volume you want to trade. Remember, volume corresponds to lot size, and the minimum and increment can vary by broker and instrument. Take a quick second to ensure the volume aligns with your risk plan for that symbol and time frame. When you're ready to execute, click the red Sell button to place a market sell order or the blue Buy button to place a market buy order. With one-click trading enabled, the order is sent instantly. There's no confirmation window. Because of that, always double-check two things before you click. You're on the correct symbols chart and the volume is exactly what you intend to trade. That's all there is to it. By turning on one-click trading, showing the trade panel on your chart, setting your lot size, and using the buy or sell buttons, you can enter trades faster and more efficiently. Use this speed thoughtfully, especially during volatile markets, and consider practicing on a demo environment until you're fully confident with the workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.